Bananas are a versatile and beloved fruit consumed worldwide, but their appeal often wanes when black spots start to appear on the peel. Contrary to popular belief, bananas with black spots are not a sign of spoilage, instead, they signal ripeness. Embracing the nutritional richness of bananas with black spots can offer a myriad of benefits for your health. Let's delve into the top 9 advantages of incorporating these slightly overripe bananas into your diet. 1. Increased antioxidant levels. Bananas undergo a transformation as they ripen, with the starches converting into sugars. This process also leads to an increase in antioxidant levels, particularly in the form of dopamine and catechins. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative stress, and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Improved digestibility. Ripe bananas are gentler on the digestive system compared to their unripe counterparts. The natural enzymes in ripe bananas help break down complex carbohydrates more efficiently, making them easier to digest. This is especially beneficial for individuals with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. 3. Enhanced nutrient absorption. The ripening process not only increases antioxidant levels but also enhances the bioavailability of essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and various B vitamins. This improved nutrient absorption can contribute to overall health and well-being. 4. Regulation of blood sugar levels. Contrary to concerns about ripe bananas causing spikes in blood sugar, the presence of resistant starch and fiber in overripe bananas can help regulate blood sugar levels. The slower digestion of these components leads to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, providing sustained energy and preventing rapid spikes and crashes. 5. Boosted immune function. Bananas with black spots contain higher levels of immune-boosting nutrients, including vitamin C. A robust immune system is crucial for defending the body against infections and illnesses, making ripe bananas a valuable addition to your diet, especially during cold and flu seasons. 6. Support for heart health. Potassium, a vital mineral for heart health, is abundant in bananas. As bananas ripen, their potassium content increases, promoting proper heart function and helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. 7. Natural mood enhancers. The increased levels of serotonin and dopamine in ripe bananas not only contribute to their antioxidant properties but also act as natural mood enhancers. Consuming bananas with black spots may help alleviate stress and improve overall mood, providing a tasty and nutritious pick-me-up. 8. Easier on the teeth. As bananas ripen, their texture becomes softer, making them easier to chew. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with dental issues or those who prefer softer foods. The increased sweetness of ripe bananas can also satisfy sweet cravings without the need for added sugars. 9. Versatile culinary applications. Overripe bananas are perfect for various culinary endeavors. They can be used to sweeten and moisten baked goods like banana bread, muffins, and pancakes. Their naturally sweet flavor can also enhance smoothies and desserts, offering a delicious way to enjoy the nutritional benefits of ripe bananas. Bananas with black spots are not a cause for concern but rather an opportunity to enjoy a fruit at its nutritional peak. By embracing the unique benefits of ripe bananas, you can enhance your overall health, support various bodily functions, and savor the delicious versatility of this beloved fruit. So, the next time you see black spots on a banana, consider it an invitation to indulge in a nutritious and flavorful culinary experience.